Our practice-based, hands-on learning courses are built for school students.
We know that it is easy to enroll in a course, but difficult to finish. Our courses are organized to make you a finisher. We don't simply teach, but truly mentor. A coding class for school students is more than a course, we enjoy it together. Our courses are divided into 3 categories: Foundation, Beginner Coding, and Advanced Coding. Foundation coding is built for those who are just starting and have yet to gain experience in programming. We build a solid foundation without getting into the syntax by familiarizing learners with basic concepts such as computer architecture, data, the internet, programming, concepts, tools, etc. Our courses, Scratch and Foundation of Programming, focus on problem-solving skills and teach you tools such as flowcharts, bubble charts, and pseudocode. This knowledge sets a strong foundation for future coding courses such as Python or Java. We highly recommend this course for elementary and middle schoolers. The core coding category consists of real coding courses. You write code in our online code editor, solve real-life problems, and, most importantly, practice to hone your skills. Practice makes you a strong coder. Watching videos won't. You can pick any programming language, such as Java, Python, C++, etc., but we recommend practical Python for beginners. It is a great entry into the programming world. If you come to one of these courses after finishing one of the foundational courses, learning will be very easy because you will apply the concepts and tools you have already learned. We also specialize in College Board's AP Computer Science courses as AP Computer Science A and AP Computer Science Principles. Not only do we help you get good grades, but we also set you up for a plus on the final exam. We want you to fall in love with computer science and possibly pursue a career in the future. Our advanced courses, such as Data Structure and Algorithm and Advanced Python, are meant for college students or those who have finished one of our core coding courses. Those looking to build a career in software development will find these courses job-friendly. Looking to get a real-time data analysis experience? Look no further than our data science courses, which teach you real-time data of more than 500,000 students, their attempts, and learning. You will learn the basics of the MongoDB database and how to retrieve and analyze data using Python and Python's libraries such as NumPy and Pandas. At the end of the course, you get the true experience of working on a real project. This will add tremendous value to your resume. We make learning cost-effective. We ensure that you learn and retain. That's the real value for money and time. Our prices vary by course, and instructor-led classes cost a little extra. Our instructors are experienced trainers and very hands-on in coding, and many have worked in the industry for several years. They provide you with real-time help, mentoring, and support to learn and finish. Our class sizes are small, fun, and interactive. Don't forget to check out summer courses. They are meant to utilize an extra skill, utilize summertime, and prepare you for the next school or college session. Irrespective of your chosen format, we provide good support to ensure you learn and finish. Rather than learning to code multiple times, learn once and forever. Learn by practice and earn real-time experience. Join today and be our coding champion. Visit www.codemode.us or like us on Instagram, CodeMode_US.